message. First, let me thank you, Sam, for inviting me. I'm so happy na hindi mo ako nakalimutan. Thank you for all of you who find time tonight to celebrate this memorable evening with us. Surely that you made Sam happy. Thank you for being part of her life and continuously being part of it. Titos and titas, family friends, close friends from school, ates and friends from volleyball, and even the old and new ones, thank you so much for your presence. Let me acknowledge the presence of United Group, Ellie and Erich. Thank you so much. Thank you, and thank you for your parents, Mami Ems, Gerald, and on behalf of Gerald and Ate Jeresa. Thank you to Tita Bea, kakaalis lang, sorry, for making it tonight. I know she's very busy for all the guidance to us. And then let me tell you a trivia. Sam's birthday is 22nd of September. It is exactly the same birthday with her mom, Nanay M. So for those who are close to us, you should be knowing it. But for the rest, sabay po sila ng birthday, September 22. Pinigil po yata niya yung labor para sumakto. And since then, it has been an advantage during their yearly celebration, one treat for 2 birthdays. But I didn't realize that there should be 2 gifts also. Nanay's birthday sa amin is always the second thing every 22nd of September. Because everyone in the family is focused on you only. Funny thing is, since you were born, all of Nanay's birthday theme is Barbie, Disney, Lala Lupsi, and so much more. Imagine being firstborn, your first birthday up to 7, and then onwards, the first greeting is always Happy Birthday, Sam, to follow the greetings for Nanay. I'm sure that it's fine with her because to us, you are the world to us. You are now seeing everything with Ion. Cuteness, naughtiness, and all. How much we enjoy even the smallest thing she learned and she can do. Just imagine when it was you, as parents, your first as our first too. When you were 1, you have to go back to Manila with your lola. For the meantime, Tatay and Nanay will be here to settle things before you can come back. And at the airport, witness niyan sila Tita Abby and Tita Yan kung paano ka umiumiyak. Para kaming kidnap victim na kinuhaan ng anak ng bata. Nag-dehydrate yata kami sa sobrang iyak. Ito, konti na lang po. Ngayon 18 ka na, for everyone to know, I will be a bit surprised because yung mga napapanood po natin sa movie, totoo po pala. You will start improving and developing your third eye. I'm sorry to say. You will start seeing the clutter at home, yung mga big toys ni Sayo, ni Ion. Pati yung mga strand ng buhok, makikita mo na yan gamit ng third eye mo kasi tapos ka na dun sa younger years mo. Gulat ka? Kinakabahan ka? Obviously, there will be hundreds of memories and there will be thousands more to come. Life lessons, di tayo nagkulang dyan. Be it in the car, dining table, bedroom, or whenever we have chance. It always starts with, alam mo kasi, ganito yan. Life is a continuous learning process, Sam. Regardless of your age, enjoy the journey. You will not be correct all the time, and it's okay, but make sure to learn from the mistakes. Basta walang pressure, mamomotivate ka namin. Di ba, Tilisa? Kuya Wens? Wala lang pressure. Be inspired and motivated in everything you do. Give your best and try harder tomorrow. Be inspired. Sorry. Tapos na ko yan. I love you, anak. And also, let me take this chance to greet happy birthday to Nanay. Lagi ka nalilimutan. Lagi ganun yung sistema eh. Iiyak ka na naman. Umiiyak. Lagi ganun. Every 22nd birthday, common eh. Very common. 22nd, 21 ngayon, 22nd bukas, pagising ng umaga, happy birthday sa, hindi na siya nababati. Ayan, pati ako iiyak. Hindi, normal kasi. Tapos, when it comes to gifts and everything, lagi nang sabi. So, I know that 18 ka na. So, next time, hindi na kita babantayan next year. Si nanay uunahin naman natin. Ha? Lagi naman si nanay. Okay? And for nanay, huwag ka sana mabilis magalit. I love you. Huwag ka sana palagi masungit. I love you. Mag-diet ka naman ng konti. I love you. Try mo din, dalasan mo ngiti. I love you. Aba, ano pa pasensya mo? I love you. Okay? That's all. Thank you so much.